Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So, hey, I want to talk with you guys for a second about something that I feel like is really important that you guys learn and know. And I know you don't probably really want to hear this and you don't want to be told this, but I got to keep it real with you guys. I want you guys to, do well financially. I want to see you guys live your best financial life. And that's exactly why I said I want to keep it real with you guys, and I want to just bring this information to you guys in this way. And what I want to talk with you guys about is I want to hopefully get you guys to stop trading your time for money. That's the conversation that we're going to have. That's what I want to talk with you guys about. And I look forward to having this conversation with you guys. And I hope you guys look forward to having it with me as well. So go ahead and hit the like button on this video, and then let's go ahead and get into this video. So like I said, my goal with this video is to just, hopefully by the end of it, I can, at least influence or hopefully, change your approach, the way that you make your money and the way you value your money that you make now. And that hopefully, like I said, by the end of this video, that you will value your money differently, and that your approach to how you make your money would not be just by trading your time for more money. And that, hopefully I can get you to stop thinking in just the traditional way of making money is like, hey, this is how much I make, and if I want to make more, I just need to keep on trading more and more and more and more of my time so I can make more money. And I know that this is what, we're raised to think about. This is how we make money. You just work really hard, work a lot of hours, put in a bunch of hours of overtime, and that's how you're gonna, see your check get bigger. And hey, that's just life. That's how it is. You gotta work more to get more. But I'm hoping, like I said, with this video, to just change your view, change your perspective, and just overall just hopefully just help you out a little bit when it comes to your finances. So if I'm successful with this video, that's what'll happen. It will just change your mindset and hopefully just, open your mind a little bit when it comes to, this approach of no longer trading your time for money. All right, so I know one of the first questions you have to be asking yourself is like, all right, Keith, well, if you want me to stop trading my time for money, well, then how do you expect me, to make money? Like, what's your point? What are you getting at? Well, I'm not saying in this video that you're not gonna, still be trading your time for money. Like, 100% you could just cut it out all the way, because I understand you still gotta make money, you still gotta survive. Like, I get that. So yes, you're still gonna probably have to work your, your normal job, and you are gonna still be trading some of your time for money. But what I want to at least hope to get you to begin to think about is about starting to find a way to make more money, or just some extra side money, or begin investing in a way that's going to cause you to make more money, but without trading your time to do so. And so, what is some of the ways that you can go about doing that? Well, some of the most, obvious, best ways that I think that you can go about doing that would be by things like potentially, say, for example, investing in the stock market. Now you might say, hey, all right, what do I do? All right, you're to open up a brokerage account, find the one that, has a good reputable reputation for you. I personally, the brokerage account that I'm signed up with, it's E-Trade. You don't have to use E-Trade. You could use whatever brokerage company that that you like. Now you go on, create your account, create your profile, sign up with them, get your profile ready to go, and you just decide whatever way you want to go about it. You want to buy individual stocks, you want to buy mutual funds, index funds, whatever it is your investment that you want to go with. I have other videos here on the channel. I can, you could go ahead and I'll put those in the link in the description below. You could go ahead and watch those videos. They'll give you a little more information about investing in the stock market. And I mean, again, that's going to be one of the ways where, you're going to begin to make money. And I want to get you to start thinking that way. I want to get you to start thinking like, hey, I want my money to make me money. I don't want me to have to work for my money, and me to have to, and when I say me make my money, I don't want you to be thinking, all right, in order for me to make money, I have to spend my time, working for somebody or somewhere in order to earn that money. I want you to start thinking in terms of what can I do, or what can I sell, or what way can I like produce some money or some value for someone without it requiring more of my time, than you already are committing to the job. So investing in the stock market would be a perfect example and way for you to do that, because you could take some of that money that you're working for, that from your job, from your paycheck, and then you can invest that money into the stock market. And over time, I'm not saying it's going to happen fast or that's going to be overnight or next week, but over time, you will slowly begin to build wealth through investing in the stock market. And all that wealth that you're going to build is not going to come as a result of you investing more of your time or you working any harder than you are right now. That's going to be your money working for you. You've hired out your money through investing to work for you, and it's going to make money for you. And that's exactly what I'm hoping to get you to understand in this video, is to stop trading your time for money and start trading, your money, or, start trading your money for money, or, investing your money, in other words. That's going to make you more money. And the more money that you have invested and the more money that, those investments bring back, the less that you're going to need to put any work in at any job or any company. You're going to be able to, survive off of your investments, and even not only just survive, but thrive and just, live like a very plentiful life off of your investments, not just barely getting by. And so that's example number one. You can invest in the stock market. So example number two that I have, to share with you, another way that you could go about putting your money to work to make more money for you would be by real estate investing. That could be by, you could do this in multiple ways. You could, again, go back to the stock market approach, and you could invest in a real estate trust. And you could, get paid the dividends that come, through investing in a real estate trust. Or you could, and that's, if you don't want to deal with hands-on real estate, you don't want to deal with repairs and, tenants not paying their rent, and potentially, your rental property being vacant, and all those other things that could come with that, you could always go that route of investing in real estate trust if you don't want to deal with the physical asset of real estate. But if you want to own physical real estate, you could buy yourself whatever type of real estate investment you want. It could be, a single family home. It could be, a multi-family units that you want to own. You go ahead and, buy that property, invest into that property, put down the money that you need to secure that property for yourself, and then just rent out that property. And in that sense, you now own that asset. That asset, belongs to you. And you're going to gain and build wealth and make money through multiple, ways, because you're going to have the cash flow that comes from the rental income from month to month as your tenants pay you that rent. So you're going to, make money that way. And then you're also going to make money in the sense that you might not see it coming to you month to month, but the value that your property is going to go up over time is going to be, in a sense, another way that you're making money. So you're creating and adding value for yourself. And I want you to just start thinking again this way, like you're making money and building wealth for yourself, but not trading or, investing any more of your time, because that time that, it took you for you to buy that property or, to just agree to that deal, that's like really in comparison to the amount of money that you're going to make, by owning that property over the period of years. That time is so very little in comparison or in proportion to the money that you're going to make. So again, like I said, I just want to get you to start thinking about that way of your money making you money or your assets making you money, rather than your time being invested, through working at a job and just that being the only way that you make money. I want you to stop trading your time for money and start becoming an investor. An investor is where your money makes you money. And that's what I want for you guys. I want to see you guys work less, have more, build wealth, and just overall have a great financial life. And I hope that, in watching this video, that I've provided some type of value for you guys, and that hopefully just give you a little more insight, and hopefully gets you, at least, if nothing else, at least gets you thinking about the way that you make your money now, the way that maybe you want to go about making money in the future, some potential ideas and ways for you to, start looking at making money differently, and just hopefully it will get you thinking, like I said, in some other ways of making money rather than just solely trading your time for money, just working at a job and all, just being so limited and locked in on like, I can only make this much money because I can only work so many hours and my check is only going to be so big. Whereas if you invest, there really is not a limit on how much money you can make with the investments that you make. The more you invest, the more you're going to make. And, if you could get into some really great investments, you can make a lot of money and it doesn't take a lot of time. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a favor, hit the thumbs up on this video, hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it.